In this video, we are going to learn how to make high quality marketing shots using Filmora 14. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. So here I have opened my Wondershare Filmora 14, and first of all, we have to go to the templates tab, and under the templates tab, search for the marketing. After the search of marketing, you have the many templates here. Just download your favorite template according to your mood. I just simply download the first one. After downloading the template, simply drag and drop your template onto the layer 1 and select 1080 by 1920 25 fps. Now simply change your Filmora layout to the short video layout. Simply go to the layout panel and select short video. After that, simply double click on your video tag, and here we have to change our images. So first of all, click on the first image and select your first image. Repeat this process to your all images. Now I have replaced all the images of my template, but as you are seeing, our image is not able to fit in our template. To fit this image, simply go to the edit tool, go to the aspect ratio and select 9:16. Apply same to all the images. Now click on OK button. Also, you have the option to change your text according to your preference if you want to change to. After completing your editing, just simply click on the render preview button to get the playback smoothly. So let's take a preview of our editing. So as you are seeing, we have just edited our marketing shots using Filmora 14. So if this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. If you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.